Beauty fades, but it can be reborn again and again. Kingdomfloor redefines sustainability. We don't just recycle, we resurrect materials. Every square meter of our surfaces carries the legacy of 80 plastic bottles saved from landfills and oceans. Beautiful on the surface, gentle to the earth, that's the Kingdomfloor promise. Kingdomfloor, digital printed rPET flooring and wall panels, powered by clean earth technology, giving materials a second life. 1 square meter of Kingdomfloor rPET product consumes 80 discarded plastic bottles. Use 300 square meters, and you recycle nearly a lifetime of plastic bottles. Join Clean Earth, walk with us for a better tomorrow. Beautify the world with style.